In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Asana account. You'll want to go to the Asana website or open the app on your device and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all your projects and tasks are displayed. It's a great hub to see everything in one place. Once you're on your dashboard, the next thing to do is to start a new project. Look for the plus sign, which is usually located right next to the Projects section in the sidebar. Clicking on that little plus sign will prepare you to create something new and exciting. Now, you'll be prompted with different options on how you want to approach this new project. Go ahead and click on the option that says New Project. This will set the stage for diving deeper into the specifics of your project setup. As you move forward, you'll come to a point where you can choose a template. Templates are a fantastic way to save time, as they provide a structure that you can follow. Click on the option that reads Use Template. This will open up a whole world of handy pre-designed project structures to help you get started quickly. If you're feeling a bit lost or need some inspiration, there's a button labeled Find Inspiration. Click on that, and you can browse through a gallery showcasing various templates ready for you to utilize. It's like having a virtual assistant guide you through the often overwhelming project setup. Now let's get focused. Scroll down in this gallery until you find the product category. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're particularly interested in is the project management template. This template is designed with best practices in mind and can make your life a lot easier. Once you've found the project management template, go ahead and click on it. You'll then need to confirm your selection. Look for the button that says Use Template Again and click on it. It's important to confirm your choice to proceed with that specific project blueprint. Now that you've chosen your template, it's time to move on to the final configuration steps. Look for the button that says Next and click it to advance. This section may allow you to input additional details about your project, such as the name of your project and some particulars about its scope and objectives. After filling in all the necessary information, you'll reach a point where you can finalize everything. Click on the button that says Create Project. This action will establish your new digital workspace, and you'll see your project appear on your dashboard. Congratulations! You've now set up your project. But the journey doesn't stop there. Once your project is created, make sure to customize it. Asana allows you to edit and tweak various components, add deadlines, assign tasks, and even invite team members to collaborate. Tailoring this project to fit your team's specific needs and preferences is essential for optimal productivity. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you feel more comfortable using Asana for your project management needs. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Happy organizing!